What's the meaning of blood-curdling? Blood-curdling. Blood-curdling.
Blood-curdling. Blood-curdling. The term blood-curdling is often used to describe something that is terrifying, frightening, or spine-chilling. The term was originally used to describe the physical reaction of a person's blood turning to jelly or curdling due to intense fear or shock, which is why it is associated with feelings of extreme horror. The term is often used in literature, film, and other forms of media to create a sense of suspense or terror, and can be used to describe anything from a particularly gruesome murder scene to a spine-tingling ghost story. Overall, blood-curdling is a powerful term that conveys a deep sense of fear and horror.